grabar?
Yeah, okay guys. Somehow, my friend Marley here, my little puppy. How are you, Marley? You guys fit it, man. Okay, so this is Marley, and somehow we got this little device here. At the bottom here in these three slots, it had, I don't know, some kind of rubber things, and what it's for is you turn it on, and it vibrates. And those things on the bottom have these little pads, which are made for massaging. Apparently, Marley likes this device. But it vibrates, so we're going to see how he reacts to it. It's his favorite new toy. I think he's getting stuck by the wall. Let me stand that guy up. Marley, look, he won't even pay attention to me right now. You having fun, Marley? There you go. Oh. You can only hold it so much in his mouth. That's why we have a cover for the couch. He seems to get excited. Okay, ready, buddy? Oh, whoa! Okay. You want it? Okay, here it goes. Here it goes. Oh, I turned it off. Hold on. Let's turn it back on. There you go. Go for it, Marley. I'm gonna put this up for everybody to see it, but it's 7:36, so I gotta go get ready for work. I'm gonna leave Marley here playing with this guy. This is just too funny. Marley, what happened? Keep going, man.